Good morning. How are you? Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to the Berryman channel. Today's surgery day. Today is surgery day, y'all. First off, who is excited for surgery? Me. Okay? Me. We are excited for surgery. One step closer to going home. One step closer to going home. Okay. So, we are getting dressed and ready to head over to Aubrey's room, his little room or whatever, and then hear what the doctors have to say, and then we're waiting for surgery. He's about to get his lab work done right now, and then we just waiting for them to come pick him up for surgery, y'all. Today is the day. The day we've been waiting for all month. So, hopefully everything goes good. I'm praying everything goes good and we'll be able to go home really soon. Because your girl is sick of looking like a hot mess. Your girl gotta do Adam's hair because he looking like a hot mess too. So yeah, I'm just ready to go home, y'all. I'm just ready to take my baby home. So that's the plan for today. And then while he in surgery, we'll get something to eat.
What up, though?
Like I said, while he in surgery, then we'll probably go and get something to eat. Take our minds off of it. Get out the hospital for a second. Come back and see our little baby. Y'all, I'm speaking that he gonna come off of this ventilator really good. There's gonna be no problems. He's gonna be all good. And then when he come off, he gonna be able to drink his milk like he's supposed to. And that's it. So yeah. As long as we get all positive, you know, they say all positive things, we should be able to go home tomorrow. Because I've been telling them every day I want to go home. So they know the goal is to go home. Okay. So yeah. We'll see y'all later. Okay, y'all. So we got some unfortunate news. Aubrey may not be able to come home on Wednesday. They have too many unanswered questions as far as what it will look like when they go inside of his brain. Will he need to come home on antibiotics? Just a lot of unanswered questions, so most likely Aubrey will not be able to come home on Wednesday, which really sucks and breaks my heart because I really wanted all of us to just be together. I just really wanted to be home, so yeah, he won't be able to be home. At the earliest, it will have to be Friday because tomorrow is too soon. Thursday is Thanksgiving, so they won't be doing anything on that day. And then Friday morning at the earliest. So hopefully Friday, everything goes planned. We'll be able to get out of here. Yeah. I'm sad. I just wanted to be home. Just wanted my baby to be home, but I understand that that's not, possible. So, yeah, we're looking at Friday, going home. And I'm just ready to go. And it's Tuesday. So, yeah, but I guess we'll be going home tonight, picking up the kids, and then coming back Thursday night just to make sure we have everything together, and there are no unanswered questions for when he comes home. So yeah, that's the plan. I just want my baby home. That's it. But yeah, so we still waiting for them to come pick him up for surgery. I think they'll be coming around 2. Yeah, so we just waiting on them, and then we'll leave and go get some air and get something to eat, I guess. Okay. Okay, y'all. There's been another hiccup in the process, which may cause us to not be able to go home tomorrow. But they are definitely trying to get us to go home. I told y'all he's supposed to go to OR at 2 o'clock, and it is now about to be 4. So they gotta draw some more blood. Something about something is too long. I have no idea, but yeah. No, it's always something. But you know, as long as you get the surgery, whatever is best for Aubrey is what we want, but we still want to go home too. But no, just another hiccup in the road. We are waiting until he goes to surgery to go get something to eat, and that's looking like it's gonna be a long time. So just to check in and just to update, this is what's going on.
What up, y'all?
Yeah. I'm trying to be understanding. I really am. But I'm also getting frustrated. He been NPO since 12 a.m. and it's 4:40. No surgery, nothing. He hungry, fussy. And I'm trying not to go off on these nurses and doctors because he was supposed to go to surgery at 2 o'clock. And it's 4:40 and he still hasn't went. And he has no milk. Can't have milk. And then they don't even know if he's going to be going today. And I'm getting frustrated because my baby is hungry. Like, at this point, forget about going home tomorrow. My baby needs food. He needs some milk because he's hungry. And they're not saying anything. And I'm becoming frustrated. And we haven't ate either. That's not making it no better.
Yeah, it's like 4:40 to show.
No, it's taking everything out of me not to pay this nurse. Because make it make sense. If he not going, say something. But, okay. Just frustrated. Surgery got canceled. That's it. That's all. Bye. Good morning. How are you? Hello, friends. How are you? Y'all, today, we finna go pick up my baby. Good morning, y'all. We are about to go to Ann Arbor to go pick up my baby. Y'all, he is being discharged today. Let me tell y'all. Who ain't excited? Who ain't excited? My baby coming home today. Hello? My baby is coming home. Do you hear me? Can you hear? Can you hear over there? My baby, my little baby Aubrey is coming home. Y'all, I'm so excited. Cannot wait. But yeah, good morning. And we're about to head over there. And we'll see y'all later.
sure you can take that soap.
I'm ready to go home. I'm taking you home, Aubrey.
There's some tape yours.
Okay, thank you.
Just the other half of that one. Okay. So there's 2 half pieces there.
Thank you.
Alright, Mr. Aubrey, you are almost ready to roll. I don't know what this is. It looks like some kind of lotion.
Thank you. Oh, mommy, I have to pick you up. It's so long. Whoa! That was a big one. That was a big one.
There's always one on the road, you know.
I miss this, Aubrey. Was that it?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Hey.
Let's just some more of that Vaseline dressing.
Aubrey, ready to go home? Okay, y'all. We just left the hospital, y'all. I got my baby in the back seat. Can y'all hear him? But yeah, my baby back there in his seat. Y'all, I am so excited to be going home. I cannot wait to go home. We're meeting hospice at the house, and then my sister gonna be bringing the kids. Y'all, we're gonna be back, one big family. I can't wait. I cannot wait. But yeah, I'm starving, and Adam's finna bring me some chips at the gas station. Then we finna head to the house. My baby fussing. Okay, let me get off of here so I can see what's wrong with my baby.